Hey there, it's nice seeing you here again. I wish you could see me, but I'm just a disembodied voice. Hey, today we're gonna make some shrimp scampi pasta. It's bright, it's delicious, and hey, it's actually really easy to make. So, sit right back and get prepared for episode 2 of Dr. T's Cookbook of Awesomeness, shrimp scampi. Let's take a look at our list of ingredients. First, we have about a pound of shrimp. This is peeled and deveined pre-cooked shrimp. We also have our pasta. This is linguini, but feel free to use angel hair or fettuccine, whatever you like. We've got a large shallot, which is diced. We also have some cherry tomatoes, which are halved. To bring a little bit of heat, we got some red pepper flake, and then we also have some garlic. To bring some brightness to the dish, we got the juice of 1 lemon, and for some freshness, we have some flat leaf parsley. I'll be using unsalted butter and extra virgin olive oil for our fats, and then we have some dry white wine. Let's start off by heating our pan to about a medium heat. Add in some extra virgin olive oil and bring it up to temp. We're going to throw in those shallots, and we're going to be cooking these shallots until they're translucent. Also add in your garlic at the same time. If I can get it in there. Okay, we're good. And then a couple pinches of these red pepper flakes. Not too much, but you know, do what you like. I trust you. Stir it all around, make sure everything gets a little coat. Don't forget to season. Here's some coarse ground kosher salt, a little bit of pepper. You want to season at every stage. There we go. Look at him go. Ugh, he's sexy. Okay, stir that around. Just sweat it out. Takes maybe a minute, 2 minutes. Again, until those shallots are starting to get translucent. We don't want them brown, just a little translucent. Throw in some tomatoes, as many as you like. That seems good, right? Seems good. Let's season them again. Again, every step, a little bit of seasoning. And let them start to cook a little bit. Again, mix it around. Little mixy mix. Yeah, that looks good. Ooh, man, is he sharp. Ooh, a little shimmy shake. That's an expert move, guys. Expert move. We're going to let things simmer here just a little bit before we go ahead and add our butter and move on to the next stage. This is unsalted butter, about 4 tablespoons. We'll let that get melted down. At this stage, we're also going to add our dry white wine. Again, use whatever you like to drink. Just make sure that it's dry. We don't want to add any weird sweet flavors in there. And then the juice of 1 lemon. Here's half. And here's the other half. Now we're just gonna let that butter completely melt. We're gonna stir to combine. And the trick at this stage is to let everything simmer and reduce slightly. If you just stopped right here, this sauce is gonna taste really weird and nasty. It's gonna be very lemony. You need to give it time for the flavors to meld and let it reduce down. This is a great time to get your pasta going. Your pasta is probably going to take 7 or 8 minutes, and if you simmer this on low, it might take about the same time. And then we're adding our shrimp in here. This is pre-cooked shrimp. We don't want to cook it for too long because it's already cooked. We don't want it to get rubbery. If you're using raw shrimp, then you can throw it in a little bit earlier and let that cook a little bit longer. I do prefer raw shrimp. But this is what I had in the freezer. Again, a little mixy mix here. You see how that sauce is thickened up a little bit? As I move the sauce around, you can see the bottom of the pan a little bit. We're gonna have a little taste and adjust our seasoning. So add a little extra salt, a little extra pepper to get it where we wanted it. Now we're gonna throw that pasta in. We're gonna throw the pasta directly in with the sauce and the shrimp. That sauce is gonna adhere to the pasta. We add in our flat leaf parsley at this point. If your sauce is a little too thick, you can always add in a little bit of chicken stock to thin it out. Or you can use some of the pasta water, that starchy pasta water, and give it a little bit in there too if you need to loosen it up. So mix it around. Now we're going to plate it up, make it look fancy. Look at that. Oh, a little twirl. Get a little extra shrimp in there. Then we got to finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. Yep, get it up there, cover it, and there we have it, folks. Oh man, this pasta was so good. We ate the whole pan. There were no leftovers. And this is so light, so fresh, you don't have that heavy feeling afterwards. And here we are at the end of episode 2 of Dr. T's Cookbook of Awesomeness. I hope you enjoy making this pasta at home for you and your loved ones. And please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay awesome.